Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can find your Bluetooth history on your iPhone, of course. So what it means is that you can see the device you have paired with on your iPhone. I wish I could just keep it short and sweet, but I have like a minimum time, I guess, to do this. So we're just gonna try. So to do that, we're going to go to the control center. You're just going to drag this down. Actually, I'm just gonna go to settings. Let me just turn off my Bluetooth. Actually, we do need to turn it on. So go to the Bluetooth section, which is under Wi-Fi, not this. Enable it, obviously, and then you'll see that there's a My Devices here. And you're just going to basically see your Bluetooth history. As you can see, I have only one connected Bluetooth device. That's because I deleted the rest because there was just too much and it was getting a little bit confusing because now I'm only connected to one anyways. So yeah, that is it. Again, you have to enable it to view how many Bluetooth devices you're connected to. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're able to view your Bluetooth history. And let me know in the comment section down below how many devices you have connected there. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.